Welcome everyone to the official YouTube channel of UPDF. Today in this video, we will help you answer your question about how to view comments in PDF on Mac. For this, we will use the UPDF PDF editor to ensure the process is smooth and that you don't have to face any issues. Moreover, to begin with the main part of this video, make sure that you have installed UPDF on your Mac using the link in the description. Once the latest version of UPDF is downloaded on your Mac, then follow these instructions to view comments in PDF on Mac. Access UPDF's latest version on your Mac. Click on the Open File option and import the PDF containing comments. Then choose the comment icon. Doing this will display a comment section where you can easily see all the comments that are added to your PDF file. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.